Hi guys, so today's video will be about how to check PC specs on Windows 10. We have several kinds of devices installed on our computer, and sometimes it's get really difficult to know what are the exact devices installed on our computer, what is the motherboard version, what is the make of our motherboard, and who is the manufacturer of our motherboard, what operating system we have installed in our computer, how much RAM we have installed in our computer. Sometimes it gets really difficult to know all this without opening the PC chassis or the laptop. So today I'll be showing you how to know what are the devices and software drivers are installed in your computer without opening your computer. So follow me. Come to this search bar right next to your start button and type here DXDIAG. Like you can see, that is DXDIAG. Click on that and wait for a while, and like you can see, there will be a new window open, and where you can see several information of your computer. Like the operating system which I have installed is Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, language is English, system manufacturer means motherboard manufacturer is Asus Tech Computer Inclusive, which is Asus. System model, it means motherboard's model number is X556UR. You can see the BIOS version also, X556UR.316. You can see the CPU installed in your computer, which is Intel Core i5 6th generation CPU in case of me. You can see the RAM or memory, which is showing as 8192 MB RAM, which means I have 8 GB of RAM. Now click on the second tab, which mentions display. It will show you your inbuilt graphics details. In my case it is Intel HD Graphics 520. And on the next tab, which is showing as render, it will show you if you have a dedicated graphics card in your laptop or desktop. In my case it is Nvidia GeForce 930 MX. And for all these three tabs are for sound drivers. Like in my case I have three sound drivers installed. So you can see this one is speakers Realtek high definition audio, this one is speakers SRS audio sandbox WDM, and the last three ones is speakers USB audio device. And in the last tab you can see all the devices, input and output devices which are installed in your computer, like a mouse, keyboard, USB audio device, wireless receiver, means if you have any wireless mouse or keyboard, everything will be shown here. And if you are facing any issue, it will be listed here. In my case there are no issues, so it is showing as no problems found. If you are facing any display issue, regarding your inbuilt graphics driver, you can see the display device issues are mentioned here. If you are facing any device driver issues with your dedicated graphics card, you can see those will be mentioned here. If you have any problem with your sound devices, these will be mentioned here. So hope you like this video about how to know the exact computer specification which you have installed in your computer, like how much RAM is there, what is the operating system, what is the system manufacturer, who is the system manufacturer, who is the what is the model number of your laptop or desktop. Like in my case it is X556UR, how much RAM you have installed, what is the processor model, and if there is any dedicated graphics card installed in your computer. So you just need to come here and type DXDIAG in your search bar, and it will show you everything which you have installed in your computer. Hope you like this video. This is my third video on my channel. Please watch the video, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.